In your experience, what's something that you go back and you adjust most frequently? Is it titles, thumbnails? What are you frequently editing out post-production?
Thumbnails for sure. Thumbnails is something that we spend a lot of time now A/B testing or split testing our thumbnails. Because, I mean, you could have the world's best video. If it's not showing up on the platform or it doesn't get clicked, then no one's going to see it. So you can do all you can to help it show up on the platform, doing your keyword research and that kind of stuff up front. Then, yeah, if no one's clicking it, no one's going to see it. So we spend a lot of time with TubeBuddy that you mentioned before with their A/B testing feature. And I got to say, it's never the one that I think is the better looking thumbnail. It's really interesting because I see people all the time, and you probably see it too, posting in Facebook groups. Which one would you guys click? This one or this one? And it's not about what we think people would click. Like, let's actually look at the data. Let's actually look at the numbers and see which one they are clicking. That's what's important. And in some cases, we've run those tests and they've been, upwards of 90%, 93, 94% increasing clicks every time that thumbnail is shown over the original. Now, that doesn't mean that that's always going to be the case. We've also run split tests where the new one definitely doesn't perform as well. So it's just interesting. There's no perfect formula besides create something that is eye-catching, something that is engaging, and ideally alluding to what the video is going to be about. If your viewers can look at all the different images, all the different thumbnails on YouTube, and yours grabs their attention and they can quickly figure out what it's going to be about and that it's a fit for them before they even read your title, that's kind of the pinnacle. You want to get to that level.
So the A/B testing is something that me and my team are starting to get into. Because quite frankly, I kept hearing amazing creators talk about A/B testing in Clubhouse. I said, listen, if all the great creators are doing it, I need to jump on it. I need to start trying it. So I got the TubeBuddy. We're going to start A/B testing. When I'm looking at two thumbnails, how different should my thumbnails be? Should it just be like different colors, different fonts, or should they be completely different? What do you think when we're going into A/B testing? How different should our thumbnails be?
Well, I think ideally with any thumbnail, they should be on brand. So you have a consistent theme or a consistent brand, but not that they look identical. I mean, some channels you see and every thumbnail looks exactly the same. It's hard for you to work out, well, what's that video actually about. You've actually got to concentrate and read what the text says on the thumbnail or look at the images to see if it's a fit. So for us, it's consistent fonts, consistent colors around the text. So we have a black or a blue border or box behind the text. That's consistent. We also have my face on all of them. The idea is that then if someone has maybe watched one of our videos that they might recognize me in the thumbnail, they might be more likely to click another video. So we have a consistent theme, but inside of that, we're changing colors. We're changing what I'm doing on the thumbnail. If I'm holding something up, pulling a silly face, pointing, whatever. So when we're shooting these thumbnail images, I'm literally just doing that. At the end of every video, I'm pointing silly faces, holding stuff up. Again, whatever you can do to help your viewer work out what your video is about. If you're going to be speaking iPhone, hold up an iPhone or put up the Apple logo or something on there, or a specific program, put the company logo on there. So the people that are looking for that go, yep, I've seen that before. That's the one I want. Yeah. So there's really beyond that. There's nothing else that we are not testing. Like we've had some that are fluoro pink in the background just to grab attention. Some that are just full images and really like distracting ones that you would think no one's ever going to click that. So we're testing all sorts of things, but it doesn't stray away from their consistent branding, fonts, colors, and things, and also my face on them.
I like that. And of course, we're talking to Justin Brown here from Primal Video. We are not only recording for YouTube, for Instagram, for LinkedIn, for Facebook. You're going to be able to see this video everywhere. We are also recording live in Clubhouse. Shout out to everyone in Clubhouse who is just loving life right now. I'm glad you enjoyed this episode. I've got several other episodes right here for you. Smash one of these videos to make sure that you don't miss out on the tips, tools, and tactics of industry experts. Let's take that side hustle full time. Smash one of these links.